Hello mums, dads and mini musos, it's Scott here from Fun Keys for Kids, and today we're going to be learning a brand new song. This song is called I Like to Move It, and you may have heard of it from the film Madagascar.
I like to move it, you like to move it. I like to move.
So this song is an intermediate difficulty, but if you are finding it difficult, you can simplify it and you can just play the right hand to get that tune. If you think you're up to the challenge though, we can play both hands and it does get a little tricky later on, so let's see if you can manage it. But before we go over to the piano, don't forget to click that like button and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of our future tutorials. Now, with all that out of the way, let's get over to the piano. So the first part of this song that we're going to learn is the melody, but this can be played in both hands. So we're actually going to start with the left hand this time. So what we need to do is we need to find our hand position. So our pinky finger goes on C like this, and the rest of the fingers go on D, E flat instead of E, and then F, and then G. So our hand position looks like this. And that will cover all of the notes that we need for this melody. So the tune goes like this. We start on C and we play that 4 times. And then we jump to the G, and then the E flat. So that part goes. And we play the E flat twice. So the second part of this melody is a little bit trickier because we have a faster section. So this part goes D, F, D, G. So all together we have and then that repeats. So we do that twice round. And again. If you got this far, well done. Now, here comes the second part, which is the same melody, but now we play it in the right hand. So we have the same fingers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on C, D, don't forget that E flat, F, and G. So the melody is exactly the same as we learnt in the left hand. Now here comes the tricky part, because once we've got our hands separately, now we have to play them together. Now they do play the same thing, so you can kind of think of this as a coordination exercise, and you can keep repeating it until you get it. And you can keep going. If you think you've got that part, now we can move on to the easier part, which is just the right hand. So we start with our 4th finger on the high C and our thumb on the G. So we play the C 6 times followed by the G, and this goes to the tune I Like to Move It, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, G. And we do this 3 times. Once you've repeated that 3 times over, all that's left is the I like to move it at the very end. So we play C 3 times, and then we play the E flat with our pinky, and then we have the low G again. So that together is. So those are all the separate parts we need to play this song. Now, if you've got this far, really, really well done. This is tricky stuff. So now I'm going to show you the order of when we play all of the parts to play the whole song. So we start with the left hand tune that we learnt first, and we play that 2 times. And then the right hand comes in, so we play both hands together 2 times. And then once we've done that, the left hand continues and we play the right hand I like to move it part, which goes like this. And that is everything you need to play I Like to Move It. If you got to the very end, give yourself a round of applause. Now, like I said earlier, if you are finding this difficult, you can just play the right hand, so just keep practicing that. And if you need any more help or you'd like to follow along to the music, we have a blog post with a worksheet on our website. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!
Original King Julian for the Kingsman. I love how all the girls they love to move their body. When you move your body, you know move it nice and sweet and sassy. Alright? Woman, you cute and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on model. Woman, you cute and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on model. Woman, physically fit.